Collision time! Yeah. What's up, everybody? My name is Ernest Moreland. I also go by the Prince or ECM. I can't say enough about Collision. Like, I had to take that pause because, man, these sticks right here, oh man, the durability, I can't even talk right because they so dope. The durability in these sticks, this hickory wood, the craftsmanship, like, oh my Lord, is they're phenomenal. I mean, the other brands, they might last me a service or a gig, and then they be broken and gone, and I give them away. And honestly, but these bad boys right here, oh man, these are it right here for me. Like, y'all need to pick y'all up some. So, with Collision anyway, the reason why I chose them is because of all those things I just said. Like, literally because of the durability, the weight accuracy, the length. Like, these bad boys right here, I can't even say enough. The feel of them are nice. Like, the feel of them are real good. I really feel like they chopped down some poor tree just for me. just for me to play these wonderful sticks. I've been playing the majority of my life back and forth, and just recently I got more consistent in playing because it just was one of those things that just keep tugging at you, like one of those passions that you always have, or dreams that you always have, and it just keeps pulling you. Opportunities keep opening up, like you can't avoid them. So when I kept feeling that pull and stuff, I just kept seeing, what's Collision? What's Collision? They were everywhere, right? So I finally made the decision to cop me a pair, and as an endorsee, like, I'm not saying that just because of that. Like, I copped me a pair before I was an endorsee, and these are it. Like, literally, these are it. I'm about to do a drumless track, a random drumless track that I found on YouTube. I should tell y'all what type of genres of music I play. Mainly gospel, some pop, some funk, some old school R&B, some fusion. That's what I like to do. That's what I like to play. That's my lane. And we're about to get into this track. It's gospel music loops, drumless track.